Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Chevrolet Corvette in Fortnite. To get started, understand that the Corvette is typically available as part of a special bundle. These bundles appear periodically in the item shop, so keeping an eye on daily rotations is key. Make sure you have enough V-Bucks ready for when it drops. The most common way to get the Corvette is by purchasing its dedicated bundle from the item shop. This bundle will contain the car and often other cool cosmetics like decals or wheels. Simply navigate to the item shop, find the Corvette bundle, and use your V-Bucks to complete the transaction. It's a straightforward process. To maximize your chances of getting the Corvette, always save a good amount of V-Bucks. Don't spend them on impulse buys if you're waiting for a specific vehicle. Also, keep an eye on official Fortnite channels for news about upcoming vehicle releases or special events that might feature the Corvette as a reward. Once you've successfully purchased the Corvette bundle, the vehicle will be added directly to your locker. Before jumping into a match, remember to equip it from your garage customization options. Then, you're all set to cruise around the island in style. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your new ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.